Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 2. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. The linkage starts in a palm-up position in slot 1-2. It begins with a normal inverse sonic 1-2 to 1-3, then interrupted by an inverse twisted sonic from 1-3 to 3-4. The second trick is commonly known as mitt, or moonwalk inverse twisted sonic. Remember, the moonwalk modifier is never necessary when notating slots. Once in slot 3-4, the mod continues with a twisted sonic to 1-3, 2 in. The 2 in notation is saying 2, the middle finger is in or on the palm side of the mod. We then continue with a ring around reverse from 1-3 to 1-3, 2 out. The 2 out part of the second 1-3 slot is notating the middle finger being out or on the side of the mod closer to the back of the hand. The linkage finishes with the hybridized inverse side sonic 1-3 to 1-2. The inverse side sonic is hybridized because it starts in the normally intermediate slot. The entire linkage looks like this. This linkage is definitely a step up from the last. If you can't do it just yet, don't worry, there are many easier ones to come. Thanks for watching. See you next week.